At least 5 people were killed after a speeding vehicle bearing a Sikkim number plate mowed down travellers who were on their way to Baba Dham for Sawan Jal. Many people have also been injured in the incident, which took place near Bagdogra in West Bengal. According to eyewitnesses, an over-speeding SUV ran over a group of Kawarias who were walking on the side of the road. Locals have meanwhile blocked the road, and police and fire brigade officers are at the scene to carry out rescue and relief operation. Meanwhile, Darjeeling MP Raju Bista has offered his condolences to the families of the Kawadias who were run over by the SUV. Bista said that rescue operations are ongoing and efforts are being made to provide the best possible treatment for those who are injured.
স্পিডে ফুল স্পিডে আসবে আসার পরে আমরা তিনজন কাকু পিছনে ছিলাম। তারপরে এদেরকে ঠায় ঠায় করে মেরে দিল, পোল খুঁটিগুলো ভেঙে দিল। আগে দেওয়ার পর দেখতে দিই সবাই ডেট, কেউ চিন্তা নেই। 5 জন মারা গেছে।